This is going to be a video on how to remove the little icons that are now showing up inside the search bar in Windows 10. This started when Windows decided to put this in Windows 11, and the latest update, the latest upgrade on Windows 10, they threw this in here. You see this annoying, I'll click on here to get rid of this. Taskbar comes up. Taskbar comes up, your search box comes up, you've got this annoying thing over here. Nobody wants to see that. We don't like when Microsoft is being intrusive. Do that thumbs up, subscribe, like, share, leave a comment. Let's make this video a viral video. Click on those links in the video description, help me out. So, how do we get rid of this thing? The first thing that we do is we have to make sure that this shows up. So you can see this annoying part over here. I'm not going to show all of it, but that's the Microsoft thing. So when you click on this, all this annoying stuff comes up, and you just have to exit out, which I'm trying to do right now, and it's not letting me exit out. It's just giving me a bunch of annoying stuff. You want to right click, put your mouse over here, click the right button, and you should get something that comes up. Every time I try to do that, Microsoft pops open a new screen or a button to stop me from doing what I'm trying to do. But let's try it again. I closed everything. I'm going to right click, and you can see my little menu popped up, but it's hidden behind this picture that they threw up here. So I have to get rid of it again. Now I'm going to try that. I'm going to move here, and I'm going to right click, and my menu just came up. And we want to go to the top. It says toolbars, and search is the very first toolbar listing, and I move over to search, and then we get another menu that comes up, and let's scan over to there. Let's go over to the right, and there it is. That's what this is called. This is called a search highlight. So we're going to move, and you can see how it's checked over there. So we're going to click this. This check mark's going to go away, and when I click it, we should get rid of that little box in the bottom corner. Let me see if I can show that to you. Here, back over, we can see the little graphic. I'm going to click on Show Search Highlights to get rid of the X, and look what happened. It just disappeared. And I'm going to try to do that again. I'm going to go on the taskbar. I'm going to right click on the taskbar. Go back up to the search, and it's going to show on the far menu. Let me get back over to there so you can see what I'm doing. That is the new menu, and you see how it was unchecked. So we're going to check it right now, and when I check it, I'm going to move the camera back over towards the search box. I am going to click on Show Search Highlights, and we're going to see that annoying little graphic thing appear once again. There it is. So to avoid that in the future, just go over here, right click, and you can see what they did again. The menu is hiding behind the picture. It showed up. It showed up. Let's go up to search. There's search. You got the next menu that showed up. Show search highlights. We'll click that. And now it's gone. It is gone. So if you want to get rid of that, that's how you do it. And you should be able to fix it. You should be able to make it show up. You should be able to make it reappear. Typical Microsoft and Windows, there's a very good chance that when they do the next update, that what you just did in this video is going to disappear. So if you hit it, they're probably going to make it show up again. Remember this video. Click on it so that when this happens again, if you can't remember how to do this, you can come back to the video over and over again every time Windows does an update on Windows 10 or Windows 11, so that you will know how to remove this annoying search bar icon. Thanks for watching.